Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. What if tomorrow every teacher disappeared, and AI took over every classroom? Would students actually learn better? The answer might surprise you. Guys, will you want to know? Imagine a classroom where no human teacher is present. Every lesson is taught by artificial intelligence. Could this really become our future? AI can answer questions instantly, explain difficult topics, and help students learn anytime, anywhere, at their own pace. It can create quizzes, summarize chapters, translate languages, and even personalize lessons for every student. These amazing abilities make many people wonder if AI could completely replace teachers one day. But education is more than facts and information. Great teachers understand emotions, build confidence, and inspire young minds. When a student feels discouraged or confused, a caring teacher offers encouragement that technology simply cannot replicate. AI has intelligence, but it doesn't truly understand empathy, kindness, or the human connection students need. The future of education is not AI versus teachers. It's teachers using AI to create better learning experiences. By handling routine tasks, AI gives teachers more time to mentor, guide, and support every student's growth. So, can AI replace teachers? Not completely. AI is a powerful assistant, but great teachers will always remain irreplaceable. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.